blah, 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 blah. Hello everybody, we're in the kitchen because I'm cooking dinner, and hang on, I need to turn this down. Whew, that was close. So today we got a new beer in, or we got a couple of new beers, but this is one of the new beers that we got in the craft beer shop in Lymington today. It is called Black Strap. Now a lot of people have been asking me, can we get a Dubbel in? And here is the new Dubbel that we've got in. So it's a Belgian Abbey style Dubbel, yeah. We got this from Great Western Brewery, so a little way away, but a really good brewery. It's 7%, so it's a strongy, as the Dubbel always is. So we're going to have a little look-see at this while I'm waiting for me sauce to reduce. Right, here we go. Let's have a little thing. Little pour. Subscribe if you would, and like and notify, because that's fun times, and we all like that. Oh, we give it a big pour. Look at that! Look at what happens. Oh, blimey! That's what happens with these high percentage, certainly the maltier high percentage beers, is you get some big head on it. So there it is, big head. I have put it in a stout glass. It's not actually officially a stout. You know, it's a beer on its own. It's a style of beer, Belgian Abbey Dubbel. It's a style of beer. Let's give it a little swirl, and then we're gonna have a little sniffy and see what we think. Look at that, so creamy looking. Yeah, so immediately you got that real Belgian ale smell, which I always like, and personally I always pick out the cloves. It's clovey, it's malty and clovey. A little bit of the hops there, but definitely the malt really shows through. See that head's going down a little bit. Let's get a little bit of milky mustache. Oh, it's actually quite fruity. When I'm thinking fruity, I'm thinking like raisins, sultanas, that kind of fruit. It's not as in your face as a lot of other Dubbels that I've tried. It has got that cloviness about it. It's definitely finishing with the cloviness, really sort of satisfying. You really feel like you're drinking a Belgian ale. Actually quite sweet on the tongue, top of the tongue. Very slight bitterness down the side of the tongue, but not an enormous amount. I'm just going to have another sniff out of interest. Yeah. Malty clovey. I'm going to have another sipper. It's not actually as rich as some of the other Dubbels I've tried either. It's quite palatable. Even at 7%, it's good. It's going down easy, which is, you know, dangerously nice. I'm going to have a little look at the bottle. Let's have a look. So it says, did you know? Strong malt forward beers get better with age. This is from oxidation and yeast activity. The alcohol mellows and the flavours smooth out. Age for up to 2 years if you can resist the urge. No, we can't. Tasting notes, here we go. Caramalts and molasses give dark fruit caramel toasted biscuit. I'm not really getting that, if I'm honest. Authentic Trappist ale yeast bestows the classic Belgian character, which is, I think, is the cloviness. With low medium bitterness. Yeah, it's definite low medium bitterness. It's bottle conditioned. So this is called Black Strap. It's from Great Western Brewery. It's a 7% Abbey style Belgian Dubbel. A few people have asked for this. I'm hoping they're gonna see the video and go, hey, they got the Dubbel in, hurrah! Let's get it. Come on down, craft and local beer shop, Lymington. But anyway, I better get back to my dinner before me sauce goes cold. Cheers, happy Friday night. Get on in.